In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. So if you are a lover of WordPress or a beginner, you are welcome. I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. So consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get right into it. First one is to log into your host. I'm using Namecheap. So what you do is just to come and log into Namecheap. You have to sign in. Just click and sign into Namecheap. You go to your hosting and click on the cPanel to log in. From that moment, you'll be able to sign in. So the second method is using WP-admin. What does that mean? You simply type your domain. So my domain is faithamole.store/WP-admin. This is it. Boom, you'll be logged in. Let me log out from here so that you understand what I mean. Faith.store. The store-admin. Okay, it will log me in, but in your own case, it will show you a login page for you to log in. You'll be able to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Use the cPanel. Just type your website, faithamole.store/ not WP this time around, but cPanel. Type cPanel. So basically it will log you in. As soon as it logs you in, the next thing you have to do is just go to your WordPress. You want to see all the installations you have made so far, or your current installation. Just scroll down. You will see the installations you have made. So I'm going to .store. Can you see this is the current domain we're working on? This is login as an admin. You tap on this. It will take you directly to your WordPress admin dashboard. Can you see? This is the third way to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. See you in my next video.